Good morning, friends. So, today morning, this is the condition. It's a heavy rain. You could see a lot of water clog in the backyard, and if you could closely observe, the clouds have come down, and you could clearly see those clouds, you know, coming down on those hills. Beautiful scenario I'm able to see and experience in Arizona, Mesa City, Arizona. Look at all those clouds. I think I'll not be able to walk today. Morning walk is not possible, I guess. Yeah, I just wanted to share with you this beautiful morning. Thank you.